Welcome to my channel, you guys. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a little rundown, a very quick rundown on this new system that I have right now for recording YouTube videos. My name is Anthony, and welcome to another segment of Whatcha-Ma-Call-It and Thinga-Ma-Jigs. All right, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. As we say on videos, unboxing. All right, here we go. So this is what we have. All right, so this is cool. So it comes with a leatherette bag. So inside the bag, you have like the user manual, how to use the microphone. And the microphone is a universal microphone. And it's actually 18 feet. The cord is 18 feet. So that's long. That's a lot right here. So that's a lot of cord. In this bag you have I think this is like the warranty. You have the warranty. Let's zoom that out so you can see that, so you can focus. Okay. And then you have like a now I don't know what this is called, but this is like a microphone, like, you know, one of those microphone insertions, like if you want to put it in the amp or something like that. Then you have this little piece right here that you put over the mic right here. See how the mic is bare? So you put this cotton, this black cotton in there like that. So it's supposed to filter out the background sound as much as possible. And let's see what we have here. And then you have the clip. Let me open this bag up so you guys can see this very clearly. So you have the clip. You have the clip like you see on TV. You know how like you see like the reality stars or news reporters, they have that clip on their clothes so the microphone can sit up. So that's what this is. So that's what that is. You actually put that on your shirt. I'll show you guys what I'm going to do with that later. And then it looks like it comes with a battery. So yeah, so the battery, it's a LR44 battery. So we'll figure that out later on, see where that goes. Okay, you also have the stand. So the stand is long. So that is the stand. Okay, so let me see if it can expand. Let me see, so I can do that. Oh, I see what's going on here. So this right here, this blue part is so if you wanted to kind of stand like lower, or if you wanted to stand a little higher, you actually collapse it and then you turn it. You see these little grooves right here? So you would put it like if you wanted to stand a little higher, or maybe that's lower, we'll see. You move it, and then yeah, it stands a little higher, so it didn't open up as much. Yeah, I just wish that that extended out. That would have been dope. You can extend it out. And this part right here is a rotary, so you know, if you want to have it standing up but have the camera looking down, you can do that, lock it in. But right now I'm just showing you what we have. And this is also the LED light. So this LED light right here is actually can be adjusted. So it has 49 LED lights in it. So you can actually adjust it if you want to make it brighter or less brighter. But this is the on. You just hear click. So this is on and off. And this looks like you put AA or AAA batteries in there. Yeah, so that's AA batteries. Luckily, I have some AA batteries. Now, when you guys see me operate the camera, operate the stand, I'm not gonna go into too much details about putting the battery in. You guys know how to do that. So you just saw it needed AAA batteries. And then this is where you actually hold the phone inside with this. Okay, so it actually pulls out about right there. Okay. And then the cool thing about it is it comes with a remote control. Now this remote control is it's compatible with iOS. So you can see the top part is iOS, and then also compatible with Android. Now I don't know what this button right here is. I will find that out later. Oh, it looks like, oh, okay, you turn it on. Oh, there it is right there. You can see it on the side. So this is the on and off switch. So as you can see, I just turned it on. And this one also requires a battery. It looks like there's already one in there because that light just popped on. Let's see here. How do I open it? Gosh, I cannot open this thing. I was trying to see what kind of battery goes in there, because maybe the LR44 battery that I just showed you earlier goes in here. Okay, I can't open it. All right, you guys, so let me go ahead and just go ahead and put this thing. So I'm actually showing you guys, like, I have no light on in this room right now. I even have my TV off. So I can't show you guys how it looked like with the phone light off. It was pitch black, so you couldn't see me at all, okay? So this is the phone light that is on. This is the phone light and the LED light on as well. I don't think you would need the phone light and the LED light, because this is why you can actually make it the LED light brighter, okay? So as you can see, right? So this light is very nice. I don't know, there's something about this whole thing I just like. Okay, you guys, so I just so I went ahead and installed the microphone. As you can see, it's actually underneath my shirt, and I have it right here. As you can see, I have it right there. Okay, I'm hiding it right now because I'm testing it out to see if I can hide it as well as still have good quality. But if it starts making that noise like that while I'm talking and moving, then I'm gonna go ahead and expose it. Now, you guys remember earlier I mentioned about that, I think it's LR44 battery. Well, I assume that it's supposed to go into this remote right here, but it does not. It actually goes inside of this power pack, the microphone power pack. As you can see, that the LR44 battery is in here. But I just discovered something because I had to redo this segment over. You don't have to, if you're going to use a smartphone, you do not have to insert the battery, because the smartphone acts as a headphone jack. So just like how a headphone, once you put the headphones into your phone and it works, it operates the same way. So you don't need the battery to operate the microphone. What you do is make sure that you turn off from camera to off smartphone. So you have this off, the power bank off, because you have it in smartphone mode. Okay. So I just discovered that the hard way. So I had to do this segment over because I reviewed this part just to test out the microphone, and it was like, it was just muffled. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. So it does come with the clamp. So I just put the clamp. The belt is not a good thing because it's extending the clamp out. I would suggest maybe put it in right here in your pocket, or put it in the area where your belt is, but without the belt. Like just put it directly on your pants. You cover it up. I sit down, and that concludes my video, you guys. I have my 49 LED light system on right now. The quality of the video should be better. The audio should be much clearer. So hopefully this actually changes everything. I want to thank you guys for checking out my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure you guys make a comment down below if you guys have any questions regarding to my new recording system. And also, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much. Peace.